Government e-marketplace platform purchases goods and services worth more than 2 lakh crores annually. Are you a manufacturer, contract manufacturer, or importer looking to sell your offerings to the Government of India? Register today and take control of your brand. For your ease, introducing Vendor Assessment Portal developed by GeMtech Paras, your all-in-one web portal for seamless vendor assessment where experts evaluate your submission in real time and avoid time wastage. रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रक्रिया के दौरान आने वाले आपके सभी सवालों के जवाब का यहाँ पहले से समाधान उपलब्ध है। फैक्ट्री लोकेशन हो या मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस, प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी हो या मशीनरी से संबंधित सवाल, मेक इन इंडिया की रिक्वायरमेंट से लेकर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, इंपोर्टर्स और मैन्युफैक्चरर्स की हर समस्या का समाधान देने के लिए जाने कैसे वेंडर असेसमेंट पोर्टल बाय GeMtech helps you. With a user-friendly interface, you can quickly log in and register using your phone number. Simply enter the OTP, complete your profile, fill out basic information about your company such as name, company details and contact details and click on Save. Click on Vendor Assessment. We simplify the entire process in just 3 easy paths. You can now complete the process as per time available with you. Remember to use the Save and Proceed button for saving information during the process. The top bar shows you how much application is completed. Step 1. Provide ownership details and upload the necessary documents. Step 2. Share details of your products including their names and capacities. Step 3. Complete the process by providing firm details and submitting the required documents. For making process easy for you, the 4 important buttons will make your life easier. Download template for downloading reference templates. Upload attachment to upload your files. Refer tutorial for expert video tutorials for every question. NC button will appear in red color which lets you rectify errors, and you will now be able to submit your corrected answers which changes the color to yellow. You will now be intimated to make payment to government department, and our expert team will ensure your details and documents are error-free for submission to government department within 72 hours. Experts will handle any raised concerns and manage all administrative matters. After desktop assessment, you will soon receive an opportunity to schedule a video assessment of your manufacturing premises, followed by an assessment report from QCI within 1 week. Register now at www.GeMtechParas.com and unlock a world of efficient vendor assessment for your products. Reach us on team@GeMtechParas.com or call us on the flashed numbers. GeMtech Paras. Simplifying GeM, amplifying success.